Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching, and I'd love it if you'd all subscribe. Today's video is just gonna kind of be a chill one. I don't really have anything planned for the day, but I kind of just wanted to film something and, you know, see what happens. So one product that I use pretty much every single day in my hair is the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. This is kind of just like a leave-in conditioner. It also has heat protectant in it, so if I'm gonna straighten my hair, which I pretty much barely ever do, but if I do, I always spray this in my hair first. So that's pretty much what I do every single day after the shower or before I do anything to my hair. But today I found this hair oil. I honestly don't know the brand, but it looks like this. I'm pretty sure it's from like Winners or some place like that, like Marshall's kind of thing. And this is sweet almond oil. It assists in moisturizing and strengthening hair. So I thought that I would just like try it. I'm just gonna go in with like that much. Okay, not very much, but just gonna kind of focus it on the ends here. It smells, kind of smells like old person, but also in a good way. That's what I'm gonna put on my hair to take care of it today. I do not wash my hair like ever. I usually wash my hair once a week. That's what I try to do. If not once a week, then like after 6 days I'll wash it, kind of thing. Like pretty much I barely can wash my hair because I'm trying to grow it out, and I have found that washing it less really helps it grow and get a lot stronger. So yeah. So I want to throw on a face mask before I make lunch. So today I'm going to use one of my faves. This is the First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. This one's really nice. It makes my skin feel really bright. It looks really hydrated on the skin, and you're supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes. And I brought this with me somewhere. I don't remember where it was. I think it was somebody's house, or maybe to Cuba. I don't remember, but I was traveling with this mask once and it spilled all inside my skincare bag, and so yeah, I'm missing like half of it, but it looks like this. It's just like a jelly color, and it really smells like turmeric, so if you don't like that scent, you won't like it, but I really like how just natural and fresh it smells. First Aid Beauty is honestly one of my favorite skincare lines. A lot of their products work with my skin because my skin is pretty sensitive, and a lot of things will break me out. Like I used the mask like last week, and look how bad it broke me out all over, but this one has never broke me out before, so I love it. What's up? So now we are in my kitchen. My mask is just kind of on my face, and I'm just gonna tidy up my kitchen and get ready to cook while I wait the 10 minutes. So hello, I just washed off the face mask. This is how my skin is looking. Very glowy, very healthy and radiant, and that is what I'm going for. So today I thought I'd make a vegan mac and cheese. My body doesn't react very well to dairy. It makes me break out. It makes me feel very sluggish and very bloated. So I've been really trying to cut down my dairy intake. Most of you guys already know, but I am vegetarian, so I don't eat meat, and I'm trying to cut out dairy as much as I can. I'm still gonna have pizza once in a while, but I think just cutting down a lot, even the smallest amount, can help so tremendously. So that is just what I'm trying to do today. But yeah, enough with that. Let's make some mac and cheese. So I'm first gonna fill a pot with some water. So I just put a pot on the stove to boil. I don't know the name, like I'm stupid. These are the noodles that I'm gonna be using for the mac and cheese. They're just like little shells. These are from Costco. I'm not gonna cook them like 100% fully because we're gonna cook them in the oven. We're gonna bake them. So yeah, I'm gonna start on a sauce over here first. Just melted some vegan butter and put some almond milk. This is just the unsweetened original, and garlic, and then our noodles. This is the vegan cheese that I'm using. Oh my god, that's kind of hot. Slices like these. So I just added some into the sauce, and now we're just kind of mixing it and thickening it up with some flour and adding in all the spices. Put the noodles in a little tray kind of one, and I'm just waiting for the stove. I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up. And I already put our little sauce mix. I put pretty much the perfect amount. I added on some of the cheese slices. The white is kind of like breading, so it'll give it a little bit of like breadcrumbs on top, and then some dried onion flakes. So I'm gonna let that cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then basically just come back whenever the cheese on top is melted, and then it will be good to go. Our mac and cheese looks. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna be good, but the actual cheese didn't melt as well as I was hoping it would. Let's try some. It's very hot. So now we just out here eating our vegan mac and cheese. It's pretty good though. Like, I definitely want it to be a little bit cheesier, so next time I'll put more. But it tastes like pretty good. I'm happy with the amount of spices. So I've really just been chilling, just watching like YouTube videos and stuff. I'm trying to clean my room because it's so messy right now. And maybe tonight I'll just kind of like organize it and kind of move around some things and make my room a little bit fresher and nicer for springtime. So yeah, I don't really know if I'm gonna film anything else today unless I end up doing something fun, but I don't think I will. So this is pretty much the end of today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little cook with me segment I did. If you guys did and you want to see more vegan recipes or more food things that I eat in a day, let me know and I can definitely show you guys the lazy ass vegan / vegetarian foods that I eat on a daily basis. So yeah, if you guys like this video and you want to see more vlogs like this, just let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and leaving me a comment down below. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!